this is some box of stuff I found because I'm in Japan, and then it's supposedly it's a very cool keyboard that it's stocky. Like, how do I open this? Okay, how do I open this? I don't know how to open this. There you go. Ooh. So let's open this thing up. And see about this. Get this thing out of the way. This is a keyboard that I found in Japan for like 17,000 yen. Supposedly it's very good keyboard. There's like 2 settings, and it can sound like, it sounds like this. Oh. Alright, now I just connected it and it looks like this. It came with 83% battery, and I was not expecting it to be like an RGB keyboard because it's you know, wireless. But the charging is a USB-C port, which is good because I have lots of those. Let's see how it types. I am one-handed because I'm holding the camera. Oh my god! I'm just spamming. Okay, wait, just give me a sec. Dude, I never seen this symbol before. This doesn't exist on my keyboard. I've never even seen it. I never even seen this. This is amazing. And let me see the caps lock. Okay, well that exists, but this doesn't. And win. What's win? Oh, that's the Windows key. Wait, I think this is like Mac combat. Okay, well, actually, who games on Mac? I used to, but still, actually. Can it run any commands? Let's just see that. Okay, wait, something wrong. Oh, there we go. It's just, yeah, it's probably just that thing. So yeah, that's the keyboard, and these are the attachments. I took them out, and they're just basically random keycaps and stuff. There we go. Keycap, remover, charger, spare keycaps. Nothing special. Bye.